For GCE Physics, it has the biggest leap from the IGCSE curriculum if you compare to the other two science subjects, chemistry and biology. So that's why be prepared and be expected. If you look at GCE Physics curriculum, it's pretty much the same as what you have learned in IGCSE. Waves, forces and motions, momentums, electromagnetism, electric field and currents. So it looks like pretty much everything is the same. But the degree of, the difficulties is way much more than you would expect. But again, don't be panicked and don't worry. Because if you want to study physics, if you want to study engineering, you have to study physics for your GCE. So that's why our first advice, be expected that there will be a really big leap from what you've learned in IGCSE. And now when you move on to GCE Physics, everything will be way much more harder than before. And also in terms of the concepts, it's more complex, it's more abstract, so you will spend more time to understand the concepts and the principles. As what we have explained in IGCSE Physics, physics is like the application of math. So that's why you need to have a strong sense of mathematics skills and also be able to understand clear enough on every single equations and formulas that is required in the GCE Physics curriculum. And our second advice, just like what we have suggested in IGCSE Physics, you have to work on as much past papers as possible. But the thing is, while you are doing these questions, learn from those techniques. So for example, after we learn about F equal to ma, alright, the universal equation, how do we use this equation to solve different scenarios? How do we use these equations to simplify the case studies showing up in the exam? You have to get yourself familiarized with all these approaches. Because, for example, like the topic of momentum or the topic of moments, right? What we usually see in an example, it's like someone is standing on both sides of a stand and we want to calculate the center of momentum, the center of moments, etc., etc. So that's why get yourself familiarized with the usual and common approach on every single given topic, and it will help you to do better in your GCE Physics. Schedule a trial with us. We would definitely love to share with you more on how to prepare for your upcoming physics curriculum and examination. Again, be expected and be prepared for your upcoming GCE Physics because again, out of the three science subjects, physics we would say has the biggest leap. So be expected in terms of the difficulties and the complexity of the concepts. And good luck. Looking forward to seeing you.